January 8, 2012 will mark the one-year anniversary of the Tucson shootings.
The guy who looked like the guy had a semi-automatic pistol, and he went in, he just started firing, and then he ran.
I'm Dennis Henigan, acting president of the Brady campaign to prevent gun violence. 6 innocent people died in that senseless tragedy. 13 others were wounded, including Congresswoman Gabby Giffords. Since that terrible day, though, more than 11,000 Americans have died in gun murders. This January 8th, on the one-year anniversary of the tragedy in Tucson, we need you to do something. On January 8th, we're focusing on people, real people, men, women, and children, mothers and fathers, husbands and wives, sons and daughters, friends and co-workers, Americans taken too soon by gun violence. On January 8th, we ask you to take part in a nationwide candlelight vigil to remember those who have been lost and to let our elected leaders know that we want action to prevent these tragedies. We want you, our supporters, on Facebook and Twitter, to have the first look at a new website dedicated to this event. We'll announce it to the world tomorrow, but we wanted you to have the first look. You can visit toomanyvictims.org to find out about a vigil near you, or you can volunteer to host your own vigil, large or small. We also invite you to post stories, photos, and videos of people you know who have been killed with guns. Please go to our website, toomanyvictims.org, to find out how to get involved. Please share this announcement with your family and friends on Facebook and Twitter. And please, light a candle on January 8th. Thank you.